Okay, little bro. What's up, Eladio? Come on, Eladio.
How are you?
Keep shoveling, baby.
Need a shovel?
No, baby.
Oh,
You need the shovel.
I can give you one.
I don't want the shovel. Are you in there?
Yeah.
Where are you? Oh, there you are. Yeah, peace, man. Ah. My brother's down in Florida. I said my brother's down in Florida, so I'm making this video for him.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. He misses it. Hey! And it is slippery just walking on the sidewalks. Alright, little bro. You wanted the winter snow. I wanted a blizzard. We both got our wish. Unfortunately, you're down in Florida. Fortunately for me, I'm here and I'm loving it. It is like dead around here. Give you a shot from up my street. And this is nothing. This is mild right now. Underneath that, underneath there is all black ice. That's all black ice under there. Whoa. Even the gas station's closed down. There's like nobody around. Even the lights are flashing.